Hello again, good morning. My name is Angelo Geronimo and you're watching Hombre Estate. Hi. So, good morning again. Kasama ko dito si John Marcos, ang aking dear friend. Siya ay isang aspiring salesperson, kaya abangan niyo po. Next time siya na pa ang magpe-present sa inyo. And also, since nandito tayo sa Marilao, Bulacan, kasama rin sa area niya rin to. Kaya, let's go!
Yes, San Jose del Monte is my forte, and I just want to look forward to join the
Hombre
Estate.
Okay. So ano bang nilulook forward mo para sa, kumbaga, as a new salesperson?
To improve na maka-experience to this field ganun sa
sa
pagiging
real estate, no? Okay.
Mas maka-experience.
So ang mapapromise ko naman sa iyo as a real estate broker, and also ikaw ang magiging partner ko dito sa San Jose del Monte, no? So just in case, let me know pag may mga client tayo in the future na pwede tayong mag-present ng mga developers and project sa area ng San Jose del Monte. John Marcos, by the way. Dito tayo sa Aria Prime. Meron siyang usable floor area na 99 square meters. Tsaka yung minimum lot area po ng buong Aria Prime ay nasa 89 square meters. Alright, so let's begin.
Receiving area. Dining area. Then entertainment. When you're in that dress, glad you're home. Will you stay with me and never leave? Kitchen and toilet and bath.
Hello. Signature movie.
First bedroom.
Hold you close so you're by my side till the end of time. Before we go, will you stay with me? Never leave.
Master's bedroom.
You walked into my life. Glad you came. Glad you came.
Toilet and bath.
May access siya dito.
Balcony natin.